Hello, my name is Eric Kilburn. I'm the principal at Unity Elementary School, and I have been here for 4 years, and this will be my 5th year going into the fall. I want to stress to you the importance of reading in the summer because we tend to get lazy and have fun with our friends and maybe play video games. But man, those reading skills, they go away. It's like riding a bike or just like any other skill you might have. They go away so quickly and they evaporate if you don't take care of them and protect them and practice them. And reading can be so much fun and take you on so many adventures this summer because we can't go on vacation every single day of summer. So take a vacation in a book. I also want to read to you one of my very favorite books that I read to my kids as they were growing up. It's called Roar of a Snore. Cool thing about Roar of a Snore is that Dolly Parton actually gave us this book. When my firstborn was born, they have this program you can sign up for and you get a free book every single month until the age of 2. So parents, if you're having another baby, think about Dolly Parton's library. It's a wonderful gift to us. Okay, so now I'm going to read to you Roar of a Snore. Here we go. Roar of a Snore by Marcia Diane Arnold. Pictures by Pierre Pratt. You can tell he's not really asleep, is he? The sky was dark, the stars were bright, each Huffle fast asleep that night. Except for Jack, eyes open wide, he tossed and turned, he groaned, he sighed. Jack heard a noise that rocked the floor. He heard a noise that shook the door. Jack heard, what do you think? A snore. A mighty snore, a clamorous snore, a thundering, ear-splitting roar of a snore. Old Hound Dog Blue was sound asleep. He woofed and snuffled at Jack's feet. Wake up, Old Blue, and stop that snore. Old Blue woke up. But the snore still roared. So Blue and Jack went searching. Across the hall slept Mama Gwen. Her huffs and puffs made curlers spin. Wake up, Mama Gwen, and stop that snore. Mama Gwen woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen went searching. Sweet baby Sue slept one door down. Her high-pitched snore made whistling sounds. Wake up, baby Sue, and stop that snore. Baby Sue woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue went searching. Way down the stairs in his favorite chair snored Papa Ben like a grumbly bear. Wake up, Papa Ben, and stop that snore. Papa Ben woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue and Papa Ben went searching. In the old porch swing slept the Huffle twins. Josie Joe wheezed out. Jenny Lynn wheezed in. Wake up, you two, and stop that snore. The twins woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn went searching. They found their barn filled up with snores, the sheep, the goat, the cow, and more. Wake up, you critters, and stop those snores. The critters woke up. The snore still roared. So Blue and Jack and Mama Gwen and baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens went searching. Up to the loft the Huffles climbed to search together one more time. They searched the hay with drowsy eyes. And there they found a snore surprise. One lost kitten in the hay, snoring all his cares away. I'll be hornswoggled, Jack Huffle cried. His snore's 3,000 times his size. Wake up, little cat, and stop that snore. The Huffles waited. The snore still roared. Now let him sleep, hushed Mama Gwen. He needs his rest. He looks done in. He's traveled far across our fields, said Papa Ben. He needs a meal. He needs a home, said baby Sue. Woof, woof, agreed Old Hound Dog Blue. All Huffle eyes were fixed on Jack. Jack sighed. Then he grinned and looked right back. He's found a home. It's our haystack. So Jack and Blue and Mama Gwen and Baby Sue and Papa Ben and Josie Joe and Jenny Lynn and sheep and goat and cow and hens joined the little cat and snuggled in. Each huffle added snuffles, huffs, wheezes, whistles, grumbles, puffs. One giant snore sailed through the night. At last the huffles slept tight. But down the road, eyes open wide, Molly Olson tossed and sighed. She heard, guess what? A snore. The end. That's my favorite book, and as you can see, it's had some use. We have read it multiple times, and it looks like old Hound Dog Blue took a bite out of it. So I am so glad you joined me as we read Roar of a Snore. Thank you, and read this summer.